Hey, welcome back to this week's Tuesday Tip with Tom. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to move your ExpressionEngine directory to be outside of your Webroot on your web server. Alright, so for starters, I have ExpressionEngine up here. Let's take a look at our file structure. What you'll notice is that I have the EE73 directory, and there is no public directory here. Everything is running out of this directory. So in my case, I'm actually running a product called Laravel Herd. And I know that Herd by default will notice if I have a public directory set in here, and it'll change that to the Webroot for my local development. So let's go ahead and add that folder. Public. All right, so if we go back here now and we refresh, what you'll notice is we have a 404. This is expected because there is no files in this public directory and Laravel Herd is looking at it. All right, so let's go back to our directory. So what we want to do here is we want to drag our files into the public directory that we know need to be publicly accessible. So in this case, it's going to be site assets, index.html. We need a themes folder down here, our images directory, our custom file upload field, our favicon, and our admin. So we're going to go ahead and drag these into our public directory. All right, great. Well, what happens now if we refresh? All right, what you'll notice is you have this system config path does not appear to be set correctly. Please open the following file and correct this. All right, perfect, admin.php. Let's go over here where we have our files. We'll go into the public directory. We'll open our admin. And basically what we have now is the system path is pointing to the same directory /system. So effectively it's saying right here, right here where the admin file is, look for a system directory. It's not here though. So what we're going to do is add a second dot. The second dot says look up one directory. So in our case, leave the public directory, go back to the Webroot and look for system, the old Webroot and look for system. All right, so we're going to save this. Similarly, if we go to our index, we're going to do the same here. Add a dot, we'll save it. We'll go back. Let's open it up in the browser now, refresh, and you'll see the site is operating as intended with your ExpressionEngine system folders outside of the Webroot. The only other thing you might need to do is come into the settings here, URL and path settings, and update these accordingly to now reflect the public directory, which you'll see I've already done here in the past. Perfect. And your themes directory, if it's using the base path, you should be all set. So save this and you should be in good shape from there.